Yeah, yeah, on and on we go. Hocus pocus, yeah, come. C to C. Say, yeah, ça fait on and on, on and on, on and on, on and on.
Hey, this is Hassan from OpenBox and welcome to another video. Today I'll be reviewing the Divoom Ditoo Retro Pixel speaker. Now this has been on my wishlist for quite a while now and Divoom has kindly sent one over. Now before we get started, here are the timestamps of the whole video if you want to skip to a certain part, as I'll be spending a large portion of this video unboxing it and the other portion focusing on the specs of the speaker. Okay, so let's get started. Now it came in this lovely gift bag and inside of it is this really cool capsule that contains a speaker. This can be used as a carrier bag as it is a Bluetooth speaker and can be charged with the Type-C cable inside of it and carried around with you, which I can see myself doing when I travel. It does come with this rubber handle to make it even easier to carry. Now this is probably the best packaging I've ever received and you probably should be expecting it from a £70 speaker at the moment. It is a very exciting unboxing and it is a whole experience by itself. There's also a 5% off link in bio with my code, so if you want to buy from Divoom straight away, please use the link in bio or the code to get 5% off. Okay, so you just simply press down this button which removes the lever. Now there it is, the speaker that we all have been waiting for. Now it does have the sticker on top of the screen just to protect it and make sure it doesn't get scratched in delivery. Now underneath this is the essentials that you need for it, which is the USB Type-C cable and the instruction manual and a couple of stickers that come with it for free.
One eternity later.
Okay, so here is the USB Type-C braided cable which comes with the speaker. You can use this to hook it straight to your PC and plug it into the speaker if you want to have it on standby in your gaming setup and not really want to carry it around. Otherwise you can connect it to a power brick and charge it like a normal Bluetooth speaker. It does take 4 hours to charge, which is quite a while, but it does have a screen and a speaker on it. Now here are the stickers which come with it. They are really cool as they are pixelated and fit the theme of the speaker. Now it comes with 2 sets, a few emojis which really look cool if you put them on the speaker if you would like. Now here is the cable. It is pretty long and should get the job done. I have hooked it up from my PC all the way to my speaker and it does fit around perfectly and I have even extra space to cable manage. Now I wish they did do it in white so then it would blend in with my setup, but that is personally, so I don't think it should affect that many people. Now I don't know how much I can brag about the in-app controls that you can do on this, the customization, the community gallery that you can choose from. There's so many things such as the social media notifications that pop up, the way it can read like the video title if you're on YouTube, the song title if you're on Spotify, it can show you the sound waves. It is actually amazing and I think you should 100% download the app straight away when you get it and you fully customize it. Okay, so this actually has a micro SD slot, so then you don't have to use Bluetooth all the time. Right next to it is the on and off button and your Type-C charging cable. Plug it in. So now I'm going to show you a quick preview of what the switches sound like. Okay, so you can press the M for menu button to turn the lights off. Now, as you can see, they are blue switches. They are clicky and do make a bit of noise, but you will not be needing to press them a lot, and it actually feels really satisfying to click. Okay, so when you turn the lights back on from underneath, you will see it has LED light cells underneath it to give it this underglow look. Now, I am a big fan of the blue switches which are loud and clicky, which is also I'm using on my SteelSeries Apex 7 on blue switches. They are pretty loud, but I don't think you'll need to use them as often on the speaker than as I do on my keyboard, which is why I love them. Okay, while I show you all the different options and things you can do on the speaker, I will be reading out the specs right now. Now, the dimensions are 90 by 114 and 121 millimeters. The speaker size is 45 millimeters and it does have an output power of 10 watts. Now, it does have a battery voltage of 3.7 volts and it does take 4 hours to charge. However, it does have a playback time of 8 hours. The Bluetooth is 5.0 and it just weighs half a kilogram. Now, the frequency response is 80 to 20 kilohertz and it does have a 10-meter wireless range.
How you gon' lie when you look me in my eyes and you show me your facade? Show me your facade. How you gon' lie when you look me in my eyes and you show me your facade? Show me your facade. You a lie. You a front. You say anything long as you get what you want. Tryna play me like a fool, homie. I am not a clown.
Whole team here might need some. Still young, but I move like a new deal to my lawyer. If you're down in my management, I'm just warming up a way till I producer saw the numbers one. Different colors in my baggy light. Chalk it up, talk of the town when you're talking up. Wanna get you a ring and you tough enough. Wanna get you new things when your pockets dull. Run it up. I used to be quiet and out of luck. Now I move up and move humble cause the hate and the jealousy. My mama telling me count up your blessings and run it up. Nowadays nothing really excites me.